Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL OKT1. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Extend the list, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable dark theme, eye comfort mode, and schedule it. Also, you can change eye comfort mode intensity. Next, we can change colors and contrast between automatic, increased, or standard, and also color between standard, warm, and cool, and also custom. Next, we can change wallpaper. Screen timeout between 15 seconds or never. Auto rotate screen. And then we can set screensaver. In lock screen settings, you can enable or disable skip lock screen. Select notifications on lock screen between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, don't show notifications at all. Enable or disable add users from lock screen, add text on lock screen, show lockdown option, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.